Hi, Penny from Patchwork Angel here. Haven't talked to you for a while. It's Sunday here in Queensland and it's quite a cold day, but the sun is shining and it's rather beautiful. My dog's just walked into the room again, as he always likes to be centre of attention. Okay, so how's everybody going? I haven't talked to you for a little while. You can see the hair hasn't been cut for 11 weeks now. Thinking, do I want to grow it? Do I not want to grow it? What am I going to do? My hairdresser's actually opened up again, so I'm sort of tempted to go and get it cut. It does get hot and I get irritable with it. So I don't know. What do you think? Put a comment on. Tell me whether you think I should keep my hair short or if I should grow it long. I always said I was going to be an old hippie with long plaits one day. Maybe now's the time. Who knows? Today, I've got a little bit of a confession to make. I've been encouraging you all to keep stitching. And in the meantime, I completely lost my mojo. Absolutely. I haven't done much stitching. I've done a little bit of this, a little bit of that since my mum died in December. I don't know whether it's got anything to do with that or whether then Corona came, whether my knee replacement came. I don't know. But today I am in my sewing room and I have actually done some cutting and I'm going to fire up my sewing machine and I'm going to motivate myself and get stuck back into it. So if you've lost your mojo too, just perhaps just push yourself a little bit. That's what I need to do. And I know that once I get my head in the zone again, it will really do me a lot of good. We've been so busy with the shop and with coronavirus causing so many different things to happen and different ways of doing things that I just, when I get home at night, I just blob on the couch. I've got to be honest. Glass of wine, blob on the couch. That's it. I'm over. I have been doing lots of cooking though, and I enjoy that. And as you know, I love getting into the kitchen. And obviously, besides me, I like food. So yesterday, I sent out an email news which had some lovely things in it, including the Be Mindful, which is now almost nearly sold out already. So if you are interested in that, get onto it quickly. Be Mindful on the website. And there were also, I put some 5-inch charm square packs onto the website because I know they're quick little projects and I thought maybe that will help people too. So I thought I'll just run through and show you those. I also put on the newsletter, which you could also access. If you don't already get the newsletter, you can do that by scrolling down the front page of our website. Right down on the very front page is a spot where you can pop in to sign up for the newsletter. So do that. If you're already a loyal angel, then you'll end up doubling up if you do that. So don't do that for you. You're better to do yours in store because loyal angels are our local people. So they're the ones that we send class lists to and all that sort of thing. What was the other thing I was going to say to you? Oh, if you don't already get the newsletter, in the news section, that's the news section of our website, I have put the latest newsletter link as well, so you can go and have a look there. Now in that newsletter, this is a long way around to the middle, in that newsletter there are a couple of links to Samelia's mum's blog, and she does some great free tutorials, and there are 2 patterns that I particularly liked for using with 5-inch charm squares. So they're the 2 links. But if you can't find that and you can't find it in the news section on the website and everything, that noise is Sarge just kicking his feet out, stretching out. He lies like a frog. So if you can't find that, just search on Google Samelia's mum, and Samelia's mum. If you go Samelia's mum free patterns, then it will take you straight to that link to look at all her different ones. And she's got some for jelly rolls and layer cakes and everything. So thank you to her for doing those because they are really lovely tutorials. They're quite simple, so they're not beyond a beginner, but I think they're great little ones. So I'm just going to whiz through quickly, show you these 5-inch charm square packs that we've put on the website. We've got plenty more in store. If there is a particular style you're looking for, give us a ring or ring us and we'll organise a FaceTime time, or we can send you photos or whatever, and then we can work that from there. But these are just a couple of ones that I want to show you. This is and it's going to be in reverse, isn't it? This is the grunge. And this is the onyx colour, and it's a solid pack of onyx. So it's great if you want to do half square triangles with something. And there's 42 squares in the pack. So that'll make up a little quat quilt of half square triangles. So that's a great little basic to have in your stash. That layer cake, it's not a layer cake, it's a 5-inch charm square pack, is $22. Okay. This little one is called Rosa. There again, you're going to see it backwards, by Crystal Manning. And that's a really pretty range. If you want to see the whole range if you go to the website and search Rosa, there's a picture of the whole range of what's in that pack there. There again, 42 squares in that one. That's a Moda one. Another one from Moda is Goldenrod by One Canoe. This has got a lovely feature print. We've still got some of this on the bolt. There again, want to see the range, go to the website, patchworkangel.com.au, and I've got a picture of the whole range of fabrics that's in that pack of 42 5-inch charm squares for $22 for you. Grand Canal is a rather an older range by Kate Spain. I suppose Grand Canal or Grand Canal, depends on where you're from. So that's a Moda one. I love Kate Spain ranges. They're fresh, they're clean, look fabulous with a white background. And that one's on the website with the full range if you want to see that. And also her fabrics blend really well with plains, some of the plains we've got and things. So that one also is $22. And in there you've got 42 squares. Another one from Moda, 5-inch charm square pack. Regent Street Lawns. These are beautiful for English paper piecing. As you can see, look at the thickness of that to that. That's lawn compared to regular quilted cotton. So the lawn is much finer. There's 42 squares in there the same. So you can see how it's a much finer fabric. But it's really lovely for English paper piecing. Similar weight to a Liberty cloth. Or a Liberty lawn, which is what they used to use to make all the little smock dresses for all the little girls when I was a little girl. Anyway, so these are rather gorgeous. There again, want to see the whole range of those lovely florals there on the website. Regents, even if you just type in Regent in the search bar, you'll find it, okay? Or if you've got the newsletter, just click on the photograph of that and it takes you straight to that on the website. Last one is one from Clothworks and it's called Sunshine. And it's by Tanya Whelan. And I've seen this listed as Sunshine Roses. And on the label, it just says Sunshine. So I'm not sure which it really is, but it does have a lot of roses in the print range. There again, want to see the range? Have a look on the website. I've got a picture of all the fabrics in the whole range. Another lovely fresh one, I would say, oh yes, white background would work. Slightly, not crystal white, you know, it's slightly off-white, but it's not what I'd call cream either. But they're lovely. There are so many things you can do with 5-inch charm squares. A 5-inch charm square will fit on a yo-yo maker. So you can make the yo-yos, the 45mm yo-yos. You can do your half square triangles. Just put them together as squares and they make a lovely quilt. You can use them for lots and lots of things. Tote bags, cushions, pillowcases to match your quilt for your bed. It goes on and on. Pin cushions. You know, the list just goes on and on. Anyway, I've probably bored you enough for today. And if I'm really going to get that mojo back and get sewing, I better get my bum into gear and get going. My sister's going to pop around and see me later this afternoon. I'm looking forward to that, and that'll lift my spirits. And I know the restrictions have been lifted a little bit, and I'm sure you're all finding that you're lifting your spirits as well with the lift of the little bit of restrictions. Do still stay safe. Do still be sensible. Do still social distance. We are still open for business, normal trading hours. We're not there on Monday, tomorrow, because of Labor Day holiday in Queensland, but otherwise we'll be there. We'll see you in the shop. We'll see you online. We'll see you, talk to you on the phone, all the rest of it. Have a good day. Bye from Penny at the Patchwork Angel.